What's up, guys? Today we are going to fish a small stream that they just stocked in Floyd County with some brook trout. Our mission objective today is to catch a limited brook trout, and we'll see what we can do, and I'll catch you guys at the stream. Well, guys, we're at the first spot, and we're gonna see if there's any fish that are biting in here, and there's nothing else. And I've been here for a few minutes. Normally they'd be biting by now since they just stocked, but I don't see any yet. But we'll try. I'll try the other side. I'll catch you guys if I hook anything. On YouTube, fish on. Thank you for the power bait, brother. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You're a lifesaver. He barely nipped it. Check that out, YouTube.
Yeah, currently I'm on a nerve pill.
Yeah.
And Marlboro Red 72 cigarettes.
Yeah.
I'm not drinking or smoking weed or any other drug.
Yeah. Check that out, YouTube. Nice little brook trout there. No. No. Don't you dare. Woo, that was close. Now your supper, buddy. You chose the wrong line to bite.
My stepdad was here about half hour ago.
Yeah.
He said they were slow.
Yeah.
But man.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to.
Glad I could help you out.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Anytime, man.
That turbo with that light yellow with that glitter.
Yeah.
Seems to really warrant, you know.
Do you know a guy by the name of David Turpin? He lives up at the top of Shady Grove.
Yeah.
He works over at the high school, and he used to be my PE teacher. And I tell him about me and him talk about this creek a lot, and I tell him when they stock and whatnot, and I'm telling him like when I know it's close to the stocking time, I was like, Coach Turpin, I think you might need to check the stocking because I think they might stock it soon. And yeah, but he's a pretty cool guy. I like him a lot.
I just know, I mean, yeah, David Turpin's a pretty cool guy.
Yeah.
I just know with brook trout in general, and with them only stocking my report 3 times a year, if you don't get here the day they stock it, or early the very next day, you're usually not going to catch anything.
Yeah. I might
You knew that, didn't you?
Oh yeah. I mean, there was this one time my friend told me they were going to stock it the day before, and yeah, my friend told me they were going to stock it the day before, and I got up early that morning, and I showed up, and I wait, and they rolled through about the stock truck about 10:15 in the morning, and after that I just slayed the snot out of them. It was pretty epic. I'm gonna try a good picture of them. Oh yeah, little brookie. I was thinking the ones they'd be putting in this stock would be a little bit bigger, but I don't think so.
It's tempting.
Yeah.
It's tempting to reach in there and move that limb.
Yeah.
Because I've caught them right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I've caught them there too. I remember last time I was here, I was standing and talking to you, and I caught one right under that rhododendron right there, or right there, I think. These things are just so beautiful. You just gotta take a picture of them when they're still colored up. get you in the water. I'm gonna sneak around you and get my fishing pole.
Yeah, I was aware that it was there.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't step on it.
No, yeah. That fish distracted me. Yeah, I don't think for till I'm gonna be doing a bunch of bass fishing because I got a bass tournament this weekend down at Smith Mountain. And
Have you ever caught a walleye before?
oh yeah, they're good eating too. The only thing I want to catch though is what I really want to catch though is one of those muskies. Well, from what I'm understanding, they're like really hard to catch. You getting a bite?
That's just another thing going by the wayside.
Yeah.
That's a hemlock tree.
Yeah.
There's so many things that's dying in the wild. Locust trees.
Yeah.
Sassafras.
Mm-hmm.
Dogwood.
Yeah.
Hemlock, that makes 4.
Yeah.
Things are never going to be like it used to be.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. But
Oh,
just
well,
kind of sad. The climate change kind of is messing everything up.
There ain't really nothing we can do about it.
Yeah. No. Alright, you two, let's see how quick it takes for me to catch another one. Alright, let's pitch it in that eddy over there across the creek. Alright, I'll catch up with you guys if I catch one. Fish on, number 2 on. Let's get down here and net him. Right. Right. Check it out, another beautiful brook trout, YouTube. Let's get him on the stringer.